conditioner before shampoo? I know, it sounds backwards because it kind of is backwards. But if your curls fall flat after styling, if they feel limp, if they're super soft, no matter what products, hairspray, whatever you use, this might be the game changer that you have been missing. Today, I am breaking down why conditioning before your shampoo might just be the key to your curl success. I'm gonna talk about who this method is actually for and how to do it, so let's just get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Barbie, I'm a curl coach, and I have been helping the curlies understand, love, and care for their natural texture since 2020. Through videos just like this and my curly hair subscription called Curls Monthly, I help curlies build routines that actually work. Each month, Curls Monthly sends 5 curl products delivered straight to your door starting at $28 a month, and it's super cool because you can actually customize your mailer to be whatever you want. We have almost 200 products in there, so there's definitely gonna be a lot of things that you're gonna wanna try. So if you are ready to just simplify your curl efforts, your buying efforts, spend a lot less money on curl products and discover products that your hair is going to love, and of course get education along the way, I'm gonna link Curls Monthly, my brand, below. I think you're gonna love it and I would love to see you inside. Conditioning before shampooing is such a game changer, but not everyone should do it, so please. Proceed with caution. So who should be conditioning before shampoo? I'm gonna preface this whole thing with everybody should try it one time and just see what happens. But stereotypically, the people who should be conditioning before they shampoo is probably people with very fine hair. If you have fine hair, you probably struggle with your curls always looking gunky or maybe always looking weighed down or just looking stringy. So reverse washing is actually going to help give you the moisture you need, but preventing weigh down and just things like that. The other type of person who should definitely try doing this is soft hair finished girlies. If you have a soft hair finish, you should 100% be conditioning before you shampoo. Try it for a few washes. Don't, shoot the messenger. I have people all the time telling me that they thought I was crazy and then they tried it and then it works. So what is even a soft hair finish if you're not even sure what that is? Basically, your hair's finish is a term I created to describe the final appearance or feel to your hair. Soft hair is soft, shiny, and silky. It's hair that is silky naturally. If you straighten it, it looks amazing without hardly doing anything to it. Not my hair, couldn't be me. I do not have soft hair. But basically, if you've ever done a curl routine and your curls fall flat, they're limp, they're weighed down, they're greasy, they're oily, probably you have a soft hair finish. I have lots of videos on that. I have an entire video on just what a soft hair finish is, so check out that playlist. I'll link it below if you want to learn more. Because this type of hair finish is so soft, it's hard to hold and maintain a curl. You need to add roughness to help it last, which is where conditioning before shampoo comes into play. Why does it work? If you are like everyone else and condition after you shampoo, it could leave your hair just over moisturized. When your hair is over moisturized, it falls flat and looks overly silky, making it really hard for your hair to hold a curl. I must also say that I was doing for like a year, I did these videos where you've probably seen them, but I was styling people's hair in a hair salon. And I noticed in those videos that conditioner is actually extremely hard to get out of your hair. So first of all, people just have an issue to begin with, which is the fact that they're just not rinsing their conditioner out all the way. So make sure you're doing that no matter what your hair finish is. But if you shampoo after, you can guarantee that conditioner is rinsed out. If you condition first, you're able to control that moisture level. By washing the conditioner out with your shampoo, you are making sure that moisturization is off of the top of your hair strand. You're allowing roughness to be added without becoming too dry and brittle. And this roughness that's created will actually help the hair products grasp to your hair. Now, you might be wondering one of two things. Number one, technically shampoo raises your pH level if you're super scientific. Technically shampoo raises your pH level and the conditioner neutralizes it. So if you are raising your pH level and not neutralizing it, oh my gosh, the end of the world. Not really. Because I always instruct afterwards, you have to use a leave-in conditioner, a lightweight spray leave-in conditioner specifically for soft hair. So actually, that doesn't even matter. The second thing you might be asking is why condition in general if I'm gonna be washing it out? Because the conditioner still moisturizes you. The conditioner still is able to go into your hair strands. The shampoo is just ensuring that the conditioner is not left on there. So if you are looking for a conditioner to try this technique with, if you're trying to find something that will work, highly recommend the Jupiter Deep Moisturizing Conditioner. This product actually just entered the Curls Monthly Product Vault in March 2026. It's gonna be great for any hair finish. So I'm specifically saying this is great for soft hair, but actually if you use it as a regular conditioner, it's great for rough and medium hair as well. And it's also really great for dry scalp care. This is the Jupiter Dry Scalp line. You're gonna get like salon-worthy shine without any of that weigh down and weight. It only has like a nice, rich, velvety formula, and it fights a dry, itchy scalp with actually prebiotics, which is really cool. And when used with their hydrating shampoo, which is also inside of Curls Monthly, and I also have a video on that, it is scientifically formulated for actually 24-hour hydration. This is going to soften and smooth your hair, help protect against irritation. Also 100% natural scent for those people who are a little bit skeptical about scents, sulfate, paraben, and phthalate free, and safe for color treated hair. Some fun ingredients that I want to shout out. First of all, it contains jackfruit, which has rejuvenating properties, and also olive leaf extract, which is a natural emollient. It contains pre and probiotics, like I mentioned, and rice bran extract, which is one of those proteins. Definitely, if you have medium or rough hair, use this as you would normally use a regular conditioner. So shampoo and then condition and then rinse it completely out. But if you have a soft hair finish, apply to your hair, detangle your hair, rinse it completely, and then follow up with a shampoo, and then move on to your leave-in conditioner, your gel, your mousse, all that stuff. So there you have it. That is all about conditioning before shampooing. Definitely check out the Jupiter Deep Moisturizing Conditioner in this month's Curls Monthly. Let me know if you try this method below. Tell me I'm not crazy. I'll see you next time.